what you wanted, Fox? Well, do you like that?
License registration.
Whoa!
Look at that stuff apart. You hate garbage? How'd it go, Foster? Look at this thing.
I think he's starting to get a little bit sick.
Yeah, he was in the field this morning.
You like that, Fox?
Look at all the sounds it makes.
Look at the cases!
Oh yeah, his looks pretty cool. Whoa! Cool, Grandma.
Is that exactly what you wanted?
I really wanted it.
What about this one, Foster? Is this something you really want? Look how those lights and its wheels move. I bet it drives on the ground. Should I take it out? Do you want me to take it out, or do you want to do it? Yeah?
That's the biggest fire truck I ever saw.
That is. Well, this is on the batteries, actually. That's good. Instructions on that one, Grandma. Where's the big box? It's a squirt gun.
They don't come out.
Just coming out.
Those are cones.
Those cones come out so that you can set them up, but I think you have to pull them to the sideways to do
You
it.
have to pull them to the side.
I would be glad for. Bad boys, bad boys. What you